Did he just tell us to scram? Do animals actually talk, or are they just making noise?
Maybe they have invisible walkie-talkies. To the Little Big Minds library. Let's decode this.
Part of 1. The waggle dance. Bees don't use voices. They dance to show friends where the snacks are. Part of 2. Tummy rumbles. Elephants send secret vibrations through their feet that travel for miles. Part 3. Scented sticky notes. A sniff on a tree tells an animal who was there and what they had for lunch.
The whole world is chatting.
We just had to learn to listen.
Keep asking questions.